Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You should sign in now and confirm Google Drive or Photos is active because permissions determine link behavior. Once signed in, open Photos or Drive and pick the images you need. Group them into one folder or album so the link points to everything. Select Sharing and choose who can access the link, anyone with link versus specific people, since that affects privacy and download options. Make these choices before creating the link to avoid redoing permissions later. Once the album or folder is ready, create the share link. In Photos, tap Share and Create Link. In Drive, right-click and Get Link. Make sure you choose Viewer when you only want others to download, or Editor if you want them to add or change files. If present, toggle options such as allowing downloads or preventing editors from changing permissions, because these control what recipients can do. If this is time-sensitive, set an expiration or restrict to Google accounts to limit unintended access. Now paste the generated link into your message and include brief instructions so recipients know what to do. Clarity reduces questions. After sending, immediately verify access by opening the link in a different browser or using an incognito window to confirm preview and download behavior. If something goes wrong, check sharing settings, ensure it's set to anyone with link or the right Google accounts, confirm you didn't create a restricted link, and make sure the files finished uploading. Resync or recreate the link if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.